Alright, just doing a quick video update on some of the projects I've been working on. So you can see I'm doing a little something with the camera on me. That's because I am testing out a mobile app that I've developed now using the living room scene that I've been working on over the past month. And earlier today I was able to go ahead and port it over to Android successfully and add in a little bit of coding and script for managing the camera with the gyroscope in the cell phone. So I'm pretty proud about that, pretty excited about putting that to work. And I had to dumb down a lot of the lighting, shading, and reflections to get it to run stably on Android. But pretty happy with it so far, so I'll go ahead and begin the demo here. It's PBR Living Room Demo. Let's just get that started up. Sorry, the laundry room was the cleanest place in my house right now, so that's why we're filming in here. There we go. So as you can see, everything looks pretty solid. A little bit of frame drop. I think a lot of that has to do with me currently recording this screen though. So still got some decent lighting in the area. Didn't have to cut down too much on that. These still work, which is awesome. So I can go ahead and click. I'm using my finger right now on there to grab and drag around objects. Grab some distant objects, throw them here on the table so we can get a better look at them. And again, the main reason I'm using the camera is just so you can see that I am kind of moving around with it to actually utilize that gyroscope in order to manipulate the camera. Earlier I was goofing around with this, kind of putting this on the couch and then dropping the apple on it to sort of bounce it. Just having fun with the physics, the mild physics. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's running right now. Next thing I plan on implementing is going ahead and putting in a kind of point and click movement feature so that I can kind of tap on maybe the ground somewhere and have the camera kind of move in that direction using the navigation system in Unity, which is pretty smooth. I mean, all I got to do is make these not walkable, which they already are actually. And actually I've already got a navigation mesh laid down, so that should be pretty easy to implement. But pretty happy with how this is coming along. Had a lot of fun and was very frustrated with making this into an Android app. I did cut down on, as you can see, the shadows aren't very crisp here, and there's hardly any reflection in the scene. I hadn't updated the video recently with some of the more realistic reflections. Like I've got much better natural lighting on this brick over here as well as the floor, so those are kind of cut out in this video because it was not running. It would crash within 3 seconds of loading up when I have the reflection probe still turned on. But yeah, so that's about it right now. Really stoked about working with it in an Android environment and getting it running on the phone, and looking forward to doing some more with it. Thank you so much for checking out my videos, and as always, comments and compliments are welcome, and criticisms as well, so please continue watching and I'll have something out soon. Thank you and have an excellent day.